Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Bethany and today I thought I would do a favorites video. This is a bunch of just random stuff that I just use almost every day and I just love. So if that is something you want to see, just keep on watching. Okay, I am going to start with shoes. I have a pair of sneakers and a pair of slippers that I just love and I wear constantly. The first pair of shoes are these sneakers, these Nikes. They're so cute. Today I wore them with jeans, wear them with leggings, joggers, literally. You can wear these with everything and they just make your outfit look so cute. And while we are on the subject of shoes, I have worn these pretty much to death already. But these are my UGG slippers. I don't know what color this technically is, but it's like a pinky purple color. And I love these. They're so cozy and warm. I wear them every single day. So if you're looking for new slippers, they are pricey, but I feel like they're gonna last, you know, years to come. So while we are on the topic of like shoes, I'll do clothes next. First one up, it's a little dirty from my makeup, but this Old Navy puffer vest. This thing is so comfy. If you know you're going like shopping or you're gonna be inside and you don't want to be sweating, it is perfect to just throw on and it makes any outfit look cute. A black bodysuit on, jeans, and then this will make it look so cute. Another one is this fuzzy pink sweater. It's like a quarter zip. I love this thing. I literally could live in it. I want to get every single color, but I just find that's probably unnecessary, so I don't get it. But I got this at Target and 10 out of 10 recommend. I got my regular size medium. I did try the small on, it fit, but this one's definitely more cozy. So I would say stick to your regular size. All right, and so I have been back on my workout game and trying to eat better. I haven't been counting calories or anything like that because I feel like it takes a lot away from you if that's all you can think about. So I've just been trying to eat better and eat more whole foods. With my job, it's kind of like you gotta eat when you can, when you have a break for a second. So I found these bars that I actually forgot about them. They are called Muna Mashups, lemon zest and blueberry. I did get these at Stop and Shop individually, but I did just go to Target earlier and I found them at Target for a box of 6. So they're a little pricey, but it's a good like quick snack if you need to just eat something really fast and not have a whole meal. On the topic of food, I drink Alani Nude energy drinks every single day. I like most of their flavors. There's a few flavors that I don't really get and I don't really care for, but they have pre-workout and this is the Blue Slush pre-workout. I have gotten it before. I forgot how good it was. If you want a workout tingle, this works really, really well. I'm also not like, I haven't tried many pre-workouts, but this one, I love the taste of it. It tastes so good and it also works really well. So yeah. Oh, and another thing from Alani Nu that I really like is these Fit Shakes. The only flavor I like is Munchies. The other ones are, I don't want to say watery, but like they don't have like a great flavor to them in my opinion. But the Munchies one is really good. So I will work out in the morning and usually I'm up at like 5:30, 5:45 to work out. So I don't want to like eat a meal at, you know, 6:30, 7 o'clock when I'm done. So I just have these in the refrigerator and I just drink one real quick and it is 20 grams of protein. So that helps me out a little bit right after my workout. Okay, so I found these on Cody Harmon's Instagram page. She is a barrel racer. She rides horses. In case you don't know who she is, you probably don't if you don't ride. which is funny that I know who she is because I never have run barrels in my life. I always jumped. So anyways, I saw these sunglasses on her and I said, I messaged her and was like, where did you get those? And she sent me the link, so she's an angel. Oh my God. These are so cool. Aren't they so cute? They are really dirty right now. I'm trying so you don't get the glare of the light, but so cute. I think they are polarized too. And the best part was they were like $10. I think actually they were like 9 something. So the next item I actually found from Amber Ashley. If you don't follow her, you need to follow her. She's awesome. She does like bag reviews and everything. But she was talking about this company, Ana Luisa. And I don't know if she still has a code, but I got these, I'm pretty sure, with a code because I sent them to my mother-in-law for Christmas because she made me send her a list. So I have 2 holes on this side, technically 3. I just can't get that 3rd one in. And then I have 4 on this side, plus my tragus. So I have these little Ana Luisa earrings right here. And I just thought they would be so cute on the ears. Now I will go to Perfume. I have 2. The first one is called Tiffany & Co. I think this is the Love for Her. I am not even gonna try to explain what it smells like because I'm not good at that, but I will leave the link in the description and you can go read what it smells like. It almost smells like woodsy kind of. I'm like a very floral perfume kind of girl, which the next one is straight up floral. Yeah, it's like a floral woodsy scent. Next one, I have been really wanting a really good vanilla perfume. They didn't have it in Sephora when I went, but they had the same brand in a peony scent, and peonies are my absolute favorite flower. I love them. They're perfect. So this is called Floral Street Wonderful Peony. Peony. How do you say it? I think it's peony. This one is my new favorite. I love it. It smells so good. It's you know, a floral obviously scent, but I don't know, it just smells so good. But I do want to try, I think it's called Vanilla Orchid. I think I'm going to be ordering that soon because I need to try it. This actually came, I don't think I have it in here, but it came in a set. So I got the regular, I think this is 1 ounce, 1.7 fluid ounce. And I got a travel size so I can just throw that one in my purse. Okay, now we're going to get onto beauty and stuff like that. I have been using this for probably the last 6 months or so. It's the Tarte Maracuja Oil. And this stuff I usually will put on just at night because it's an oil. Sometimes I feel like I'm getting like under eye like lines. And I'm also like too scared to get filler under my eyes. I do want to get lip filler and Botox, but you know when you smile, like these little lines on the side? I don't know. I feel like they're getting bad, especially when I wear makeup, like you can see them more. So sometimes I'll put my moisturizer on and then I'll put this right under my eyes before my makeup, and it just helps hydrate. So this next favorite, I think everyone needs all the time. Just Simple Aquaphor. I use this on my lips. I use this under my eyes at night. I've put this on my eyelashes to help them grow after I had eyelash extensions. My kids use this on their lips. I put this on my daughter. She has eczema, and so I'll put this on her. It's just an all-around great product. You need it. I love it. So there are 2 face products that I've been really loving lately. One of them I actually just got, but I know this is going to be a staple all the time now. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. It is so good. So I have it on today. Not that you can really tell, but I'll put it on and then I'll put on my foundation and blend it all together. And it's just so pretty. I just love it so much. It's really good. That one, and like the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion, that's a really good one too. I had been using that consistently for the last like probably 2 years, and they obviously just came out with the e.l.f. one, so I've been using that. So my next one is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Contour Wand. This is in color Fair Medium. It's really good. I like to blend this out with a brush rather than a sponge. I think the sponge just picks up too much of the product, so I do it with a brush. All right, so I have 4 lip stuff that I like. I'll start with the liner. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude Liner. I have it on today. Oh, actually I have 5. I lied. I have the Iconic Nude Liner on, and then I have the Kim KW Charlotte Tilbury lipstick just like in the center. Rub it together, all good to go. Another one of my favorites is more pinky than like this color. It's the Oh Hi. This with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner, awesome combo. This, I love this stuff. I have another color. It's a little bit darker. This is the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump in the color Cherry Blossom. It's just like a nudie pink color. It's really pretty. All right, and last but not least, I found this at Sephora when I went a couple weeks ago. It's called Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in the color Vanilla. Okay, so this stuff is so good. I'm gonna put it on. It isn't sticky, but it makes your lips look so juicy and shiny. Yeah, that makes it look so nice, and it's not sticky. My husband, when I kiss him with it, he doesn't like get annoyed with it. I mean, he probably does, but you know, whatever. All right, and on to my last 2 favorites. They are bag related. Of course, I had to include my mini pochette. I love this thing. I use it on a daily basis. It is my favorite. I have my keys, my wallet, stuff in it. It's like a little card case. I have my keys in here. I have my little card case, little things like that. Actually, I have been keeping the Summer Fridays lip balm in there just because it is a new necessity. And then my favorite bag as of recently is the Marc Jacobs, the tote bag in the size mini in the color Argan Oil. This I have been reaching for almost every single time I have a day off and I want to use a bag. This is pretty much the bag that I grab for. So yeah, it's awesome. I kind of want to get a different color, like a fun color, but I don't know if I will do that. All right, and that is it for my favorites video. If you guys enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps my channel out and grow, and I'm so excited because this is really something I enjoy doing, and I love making videos and content and stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!